Hello, everyone. I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome to another episode of What Makes This Design Great. We have a beautiful one today with my beautiful friend, Karen Richani of
Okay.
Karen Richani Design, and you're going to show us another beautiful space that you did. And this is a high-rise in Houston.
Mhm.
So the first image that we have here is of the kitchen, and this is beautiful.
Thank you so much. Yeah, well, this is one of the projects that it will stay with me forever. With because for many reasons, it's located in a condo with stunning views, and also the clients are very special. They're very. Um, I really enjoy working with them. We started on this project remotely when they were not living here in Houston. Now they moved and they're enjoying their beautiful space. And they are, she is kind of like an art collector.
Oh.
So pretty much that was the concept with this design, like let the space be so sleek and simple
Mhm.
that the art can really be the star.
Be the highlight.
Oh,
Yeah.
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 So what you see here, it's the kitchen design. Actually, that was part of the apartment. It was designed by Pedini, and but what we did was to intervene the cabinet a little bit. And one of the left cabinet doors, it's the entrance to the pantry.
Oh.
So it will be very, it is a
Yeah.
very sleek way of
Hiding
hiding,
it. Yeah.
yeah, the access to the pantry that was in the middle of the way. Um, Another beautiful thing that it
Yeah.
gets catching you.
Now let's talk about that light. So that
Correct.
was the first thing that I noticed.
And
So
it
different,
is
so
so
beautiful.
beautiful, correct. That lamp is from Lucky Lamp Co. in New York, and it really is a rope of light. I cannot tell you how beautiful it is at night. It is beautiful, a really statement piece. And then the art right behind it, it's from Mui as well, and it is a very sleek and simple spheres with a touch of red because the decor has a little bit of color.
Yeah, add a little bit of color because there's basically a very neutral palette here. So
Mhm.
just adding that little bit of pop of color is amazing.
Thank you.
And then let's talk about the dining table and chairs.
Well, these particular clients, they've been living overseas for quite a while, so they have a lot of furniture that they had,
Mhm.
and this is one of those pieces. I believe they got that from either South Africa or Australia, and they just brought it, and we just
Worked
made
around
it
it.
work.
So yeah.
Correct. It is a large, large table that accommodates 10, and it's very pretty.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And then we can also talk about now the countertop and backsplash there.
Moderno did
Nice.
that.
Ah.
Yeah, and it was a beautiful marble selection. I think it was porcelain. Sorry, not
Yeah,
marble that they have. Mm-hmm.
they do great work.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can zoom out a little bit so we can get a bigger view of that amazing view
Yeah.
that we were talking before about how a lot of people don't realize how you can have such an amazing view of a condo here in Houston.
Yeah.
I mean, when you look at this, it's like that doesn't even look
Yeah,
like
and
Houston.
actually, with that in mind, that's really what so there's not a lot to add. It's just let the view and the artwork be the main characters of this design.
Yeah.
So everything was very carefully selected.
Another beautiful view that we're going to move on to now is where the moving wall is. So let's go to that right there.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
there's a separation here, and as I said, moving wall. So you said you can move that to close it off. Where is this exactly located in the condo?
Yeah, this is particular. Like this is our bedroom that was turned into a. Actually, it's a flex room. Okay, so it's
Mhm.
a TV room connected to the master suite. So the concept here was to have a moving wall,
Mm.
like you said.
Mhm.
So the right panel will close the private area, and this is where they will work and sit, unwind and watch TV. This is a cabinet that we did with a camp studio here in Houston,
Mhm.
and it combines polyform and olivieri. So
Uh,
two big important Italian furniture makers. So it turned out seamless, and it really functions really well. So it's a bit of a surprise element. When you close them, you cannot tell there's a TV behind it. And also it serves the privacy when you need it.
Yeah, good for function all
Mhm,
around.
mhm,
Now let's move on to the bar area. I know that was a space that you really wanted to highlight there. So,
mhm. Correct.
wow.
Yeah.
Again, a beautiful, very interesting light fixture.
Mhm. Also from movie.
Mm.
It's a flag. Well, with this bar, it's a pretty interesting project. Return that a bedroom into a bar.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
so it's connected to the living room, and the concept was a sky bar
Mm,
because it's a bar on top of the, Houston,
yeah.
and they are fun and they entertain a lot. So we needed to solve so many problems in this project. One was how to seat as many people as we can in this, and how to the, uh, create the shape of the table so you can feed more. So we ended up using an oval shape. And this time we use I forget the name. mm, Crayon from
Mhm,
Porcelanosa. It's like
mhm.
a material that I can
Yeah.
explain more details later on. But it's like a levitating
Mm,
table.
mhm.
And the support, of course, is anchored from the wall, but the leg is an acrylic leg. So if you remove the chairs, it really is like it's levitating, it's floating. So, and then the back mirror, we wanted to, of course, not only uh, uh, reflect the stunning views, but that's actually a mirror TV. So when they
Oh.
turn it on, it's a TV that they can still watch.
For entertaining
Uh-huh.
purposes or whatever. Yeah, and
Correct.
the fact that it is a mirror reflective, it will make the space look even bigger as well.
Exactly.
Very beautiful chairs.
Potter barn swivel chairs.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Wow. Yeah, they're very nice.
Swivel
Very
dining
nice,
chairs. Uh-huh. In
dark
velvet.
navy.
In
Very beautiful.
mm-hmm.
And then the countertop of the bar, what is that material? Is it
Laminate.
laminate?
It's
Okay.
laminate. Those cabinets are from Porcelanosa.
Uh-huh.
And then, well, you see how they did also for the wine fridge
Again, we talk
panel,
about
panel
panels. Yeah.
ready. Yeah. And the finish is really spectacular. It's a charcoal gray color. And, we didn't want this to look like a kitchen cabinet. So that's why we ended up using um,
Mm,
wood laminate for the countertops
gives it
over
a nice
there.
accent, and that's lovely.
Yeah.
And then now what about that artwork there?
Well, that artwork, it's what's the name of the artist? I forgot. David Bowie, I think.
The
Yeah, it's
the
an
the
image.
yeah.
It's an image from him.
Okay.
Yeah,
And is that something that you procured or
something they have.
they had already? So
Correct.
incorporating some of their
Mm-hmm.
other things,
Yeah.
amazing.
Mm-hmm.
And you wanted to mention the ceilings that you painted
Yeah,
there to
because it's
accent.
part of the concept of the sky bar. So we turned that ceiling in blue. We painted in blue. And, along with the lamp, it creates the effect of a starry night. So it
Oh,
goes with the
yes.
concept.
Amazing. And do you know what color that was?
I remember we did 3 color samples for this wall, for this finish. I can't find the specs
Okay, let's find out what that
because we had
'cause
3 potential
it's a
blue.
very nice deep blue.
Mm-hmm.
So amazing.
Yeah.
Well, thank
Thank
you
you.
for showing us another beautiful project.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for the next episode.